Hi guys, how to fix Facebook Messenger video call sound problem. So first thing, open the settings, go to the apps. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds, scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here and then click on Messenger. Now click on force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on the data usage here and make sure to disable the background data like this. Go back again, click on force stop and then go to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds, 10 seconds exactly, and after that disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.